General term of an arithmetic progression. So as we discussed already the definition of the progression, let us take the example 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. This is in arithmetic progression because one adding some certain quantity are getting next term. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, so on, right? So this is in arithmetic progression now. So let in any series is given, let the first term is A and what quantity is adding, let it be D. Some common difference between 1 and 4 is 3. So D is added to the next term. So A is the first term. To get second one, we need to add A plus D. So 1 is the first term, right? 1 plus 3 is the 4. We got the next one. Next, to get the third one, here is the third one, A plus. How many times? So 1 plus 2 times the difference. 2 into 3, 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So 2 times the difference you should add to get the next one. Similarly, A plus 3 times the difference to get this 10. 1 plus 3 into 3, 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Same way, A plus 4 times the difference. So on is in arithmetic progression. If we observe here, this is a first term and it is a second term, third term, fourth, fifth, so on. If it is second term, there is a 1D. Third term, 2D, right? Fourth term, 3D is mentioned. Fifth term, 4D. One number is less. So on, if you want to make nth term, A plus. If it is 5, 1 is reduced, 5 minus 1, right? If it is a 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3, 3 minus 1, 2. If it is n, we should write n minus 1 and d. So general term or nth term of an AP is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a general term. Here is A is the first term in the series. First term in the series, whichever the number is given first, that is A, and D is the common difference. That means the term divide minus preceding term. So that is T2 minus T1 or else T3 minus T2, so on. Any term minus preceding term is the common difference, right? And n is the number of term, which term is asked. So n is the number. Like fifth term means n is 5. So seventh term, so n is 7. So n is the term which number is asked. So n is the term number it is, right? So number of term, right? Seventh term means n is equal to 7 you take. Now if you know so and so, for example 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, so on. If you want find out particular term, so in this series if you require to find out 15th term, so n is equal to 15. Right, and a value is 1, d value is 3, n is 15, you will substitute. So remember, this is the general term of an arithmetic progression. So using this, let us see the problems. Here is the question now. So okay, let me show you few problems one by one, similar type. So if you change the number also, the method is same. You just remember and learn the concept here. First one, find the 28th term. So 28th term, right? That means n is equals to 20. Right, from the sequence 9, 5, 1, minus 3, so on. So first you have to check it is an arithmetic progression or not. 5 minus 9, so minus 4. 1 minus 5, minus 4. Minus 3, minus 1, so minus 4. That is the common difference. So common difference is equals to T2 minus T1. 5 minus 9, that is equals to minus 4. And 9 is the first number, right? So A is equals to 9. A is 9. First term is 9. Common difference is minus 4. We supposed to find out 28th term. According to formula, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? Nth term formula, general term. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, n is 20. Therefore, T20, 28th term it is. T20 means 28th term. So, A plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1. Okay. We just directly substitute instead of writing. A value already 9. 9 plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1. And d is the common difference, that is minus 4. Should be careful while simplifying. 9 plus as it is. This is multiplication. 20 minus 1 is 19, is multiplied with minus 4. This is a set now. N minus 1 into d. So 9 plus into minus minus. So 19 times, here we should suppose to multiply this. 72. Okay, this is a plus into minus is there because 19 is the positive sign and 4 is the negative sign. So not of confusing. So that is 76 will take. So plus into minus minus 76. 9 minus 76 is minus 67. Keep on if you write. So negative numbers will start and be 20th term is minus 67. Right? General term you apply the given data. Next question. Okay, see this. Here is find the arithmetic progression whose 6th term is 5 and 10th term is 9. 6th term is given and 10th term is given. You have to find out the series. Right. So as per the given, first take the given data. That is 6th term. So T6 that is equals to A plus 5D. Remember because Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And 10th term T10 is equals to A plus 9D. Right. So 6th term is 5. That means A plus 5D is equals to 5. 10th term that is A plus 9D is equals to 9. Do elimination method and find out A and D values from this. So minus 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 plus A minus A cancel. 5D minus 9D is minus 4D. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Minus 4 you can cancel. Then D is equals to 4 divided by 4, that is 1. D value if you know substitute in equation 1 or 2, A will get. A plus. So from equation 1, A plus 5 into D. D value is 1, that is equals to 5. So A plus 5 is equals to 5, then A is equal to 0. First term is 0. So therefore the required series in arithmetic progression. So 0 comma. Next D should add it. So 1 1 should add to the next term. 0 1 1 plus again common difference. 2 3 4 so on. So this is the series. Right. Next problem. When the two terms are given, take the equations and go for elimination method. Next here. Find the 12th term from the end in AP. So first term is 13, second is 18, third is 23, so on. But question is 12th term from the end. From last 12th term you have to find out. So this will show alternate method instead of formula. We require 12th term from the end of the AP. So given series, given AP series is 13, 18, 18, 23, so on, 158. So 158 is the first term from the end. Next second term from the end, third term from the end, so on, 12th term from the end. So if you want to write 12th term from the beginning of AP, this is 12th term from the end we have to find out. So let's take the series from this 12th term. So 12th term from end of the AP is exactly equals to, that is 12th term from the beginning of AP. If you take the series reverse, so 12th term from the beginning of AP, that is 158. So 13 to 18, 18 to 23, 5 is increased. So it should be decreased next to 153, so on, 23, 18 and 13. So this is the first term from the end, second term, third term, so on. 12th term if you find out, that is nothing but 12th term from the last. Right? You can use this same formula. So T12, A plus 11D. So 158 plus 11 into difference is minus 5. Term minus previous term. 158 minus 55. So 103. So 103 is the 12th term from the beginning for this series. There's nothing but 12th term from the end of the AP. Right? This way you can do it. Let us see the other sums in this question. Okay, in this general term, how many whole numbers each divisible by 7 lie between 200 and 500? Between 200 and 500, how many numbers are exactly divisible by 7? 7 means there is a 7 table, right? First, after 200, what is the number is exactly divisible by 7? So now plus 200. So 200 is divisible by 7. Next 201, 202. So only 203. So between 200 and 500, 203. We have to check it. After 200, which number is exactly divisible by 7? The numbers between 200 and 500 are divisible by 7 are 203. Next plus 7, right? 210, 217, so on. Last one is 497. 500 is not divisible by 7. Check with previous. So if unable to take, how to do? Take 200 just to divide with 7 first. If unable to find out which number after 200 is exactly divisible by 7, take this 200 and divide by 7. Right? So that is 7 times 2 is 14, 6. Next one is 0. 7 8 is 56. So 4. That means 4 is getting remainder. So 4 should be subtracted from 200. 4 is extra remainder you're getting. So 200 minus 4 is 196. So 196 is divisible by 7. For this you can add next 7. That means you'll get 203. Because you want to get next number. This is remainder extra. If you remove from this dividend, just divisible by 7, right? Same way last 500 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 1 and 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 is remainder. So 3 should be subtracted from 500 to get exactly divisible by 7. Okay, that pattern, that rough work you can use. Now 203, 210, 217, so on 497. This is the series. We have to find out how many numbers are there in this. Okay, from the question, the given value a is equals to 203. Then common difference, second term minus first term. Any term minus preceding term. That is 7. Common difference is 7. We have to find out n value. But is given this nth term. Tn is equals to 497. So T1, T2, 3T, so on. This is Tn. We don't know n value, but nth term is 497. We supposed to find out n value. As per the formula, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, apply in this formula the given data. Nth term is 497. Right? A value is 203 plus n minus 1. N only we have to find out the n number. So d is 7. Right? You just take and subtract. Take 203 LHS side. So 497 minus 203 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. So from 497, 203 you subtract. So 492, 294. 294 is this value. 7 is take left side, divide by 7, n minus 1. So 7 table. 7 times 294 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 1 carry 14. 2 is a 42. 42 is equals to n minus 1. From this n is equals to 43. Okay, minus 1 take LHS. So 43 terms are there. So in between 200 and 500, there are 43 terms. 43 numbers are exactly divisible by 7. Right? This is the pattern. Not only divisible by 7. So many other questions are there. How many even numbers between 100 and 200? So you can use the same pattern. Just to frame the series first. Frame the series. Then you can take the given data and apply the formula and solve it. Right? So this is a general term and based on that problems. Next is sum of the n terms and based on those topic problems. Let us see now.